Today I'm revealing some unusual Upwork cover letter tips for getting clients on Upwork. Why should you listen to me? I've personally spent over $750,000 on Upwork, and I've seen firsthand what makes a proposal stand out. I've helped over 700 people start and scale their business. By the end of this video, we'll have a new tool set for not only how to get more clients, but also how to take your freelance game and agency game to the next level. Imagine having a steady stream of projects you love, clients who appreciate your unique approach, and the freedom to set your own terms for how you work with people and how much you charge. The first thing to change about your cover letter on Upwork is going to be obvious for a lot of people, but trust me, most of you need to hear this. Stop starting stuff with "Dear Sir" or "Madam." Jump straight into something that speaks directly to their project. Show them you've actually read their job post and have something meaningful to offer, which is not just "I see you do this," right? So if they're looking for a web developer to improve site speed, you might start with improving your load time can significantly boost user experience. I have a plan to get under 2 seconds, right? See how that's specific? It's not like "I see you're looking to improve," like no one's gonna read that. So this approach not only catches their eye, but also demonstrates that you're genuinely interested and have valuable insights to contribute. They want contributions, they want solutions, not just another "I see this and that" and blah, yawn. Upwork is flooded with bland, cookie cutter messages that all sound exactly the same. To stand out, infuse your proposal with a bit of who you are. If you have a sense of humor, sprinkle in a lighthearted comment that's appropriate for the project. If you don't have a sense of humor, please don't. For example, if a client is looking for a creative writer for a children's book, you might say, "I've been telling stories since I could hold a crayon, hopefully with better spelling now." Mild humor, not gonna offend anyone. This not only makes your proposal memorable, but also shows that you're a real person who's genuinely interested in their project. Clients are more likely to hire someone they feel a connection with, so don't be afraid to be yourself. Going the extra mile can really set you apart. If you're a graphic designer, whip up a quick sketch based on their brief. If you're a writer, draft a couple of sentences that capture the tone that they're after. It doesn't have to be perfect or take hours, but it shows you're serious and have the skills to back it up. Clients appreciate seeing a glimpse of what you can bring to the table. It makes their decision to hire you that much easier. If you think the client's plan might not yield the best results, gently share your personal insight. For example, "I noticed you're considering X for this project. From my experience, Y could be more effective because ... This shows you're not just going through the motions, you genuinely care about delivering the best outcome for the client, which is what they actually care about. Clients appreciate freelancers and agencies who think critically and add value beyond the basic requirements. Many freelancers think they need to lowball their rates to win jobs, but that's simply not the case at all. Clients often associate higher prices with higher quality, especially the clients who have money, which is who you want to sell to anyway. If you know you deliver great work, set a rate that reflects that. Being confident in your pricing not only shows that you're a professional, but also attracts clients who are serious about quality and willing to invest in it. Another thing is timing, and timing is huge on Upwork. If you submit your proposal when most freelancers are offline, like late at night or early morning, your message might be one of the first things the client sees when they log in, or they're still online trying to solve a very difficult, urgent issue. This reduces the chance of your proposal getting buried under dozens of others. It's simply a trick that can increase your visibility and improve the odds of getting a response, because if you're one of the 3, you're in the top 3. If you're one of the 50, you're somewhere in the top 50, unless you've been optimizing your profile. So most freelancers stick to text-only submissions, so including a brief video can make you stand out. Record a quick introduction where you mention the client's project specifically and share how you can help. It doesn't need to be a Hollywood production. A simple, genuine message recorded on your phone can do the trick. This shows you've put an extra effort and helps the client get a feel for who you are, making it more likely they'll want to work with you. If there's something in the job posting that's not entirely clear or a requirement you're not fully versed in, don't shy away from mentioning it. For example, you might say, "I noticed you're looking for expertise in XYZ software. While I haven't used it extensively, I'm proficient in similar tools, and I'm confident that I can get up to speed very quickly because it's kind of trivial if you know the other one." This kind of honesty builds trust and shows the client that you're thorough and straightforward, qualities that many clients value highly. Plus, it sets realistic expectations from the get-go, which can lead to a better working relationship if you're hired. Also, pay close attention to how the client describes their project and use the same words and phrases in your proposal. This is huge. It sounds trivial. It sounds like you shouldn't do this, but you absolutely should. This creates a sense of familiarity and shows that you're tuned into their needs. For instance, if the client mentions boosting conversion rates, you might say, I've developed strategies that effectively boost conversion rate. This subtle mirroring can make your proposal resonate more with the client, increasing your chances of getting hired by a lot. And it also works everywhere else, sales calls, dating, etc. Before you submit your proposal, spend a few minutes reviewing the client's existing materials, like their website, app, or previous work. If you notice something that could be improved, or a small issue they might have overlooked, mention it in your proposal. For example, I checked out your site and noticed the loading time could be improved. I have some ideas on how to optimize it. This shows you're proactive and willing to add value right from the start. Clients appreciate freelancers and agencies who take the initiative and demonstrate their expertise even before getting the job and even before solving the problem at hand. Next up, if you want to chat to me, go to businessmeta.com or keep watching. There's a video in the description on how to keep building your Upwork account and how to get the best possible leads on the platform. So click in the video description below and I'll see you in the next video.